super bad. Hi guys, welcome to Bacon with Blair. Today I have a little helper with me, Mr. Blake. So, hi guys. So today we're going to be making a dog cake. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, set your oven to 350 degrees. You'll need 6 bananas, 3 eggs, 6 teaspoons of peanut butter. You'll also need some oats. So just peel the banana and just put small little things in there. Just cut slowly. Open it. Did you open it? You need help?
Okay, I feel like doing this.
So we are making a 3-layered cake. We're making a 3-layered cake. So we have to add 6 bananas. Okay, I'm definitely not eating the cake.
Yeah, bro.
Isn't it so nasty?
I know. I can't feel it. I can't even rip it anymore. Bro.
So when you're done, like me, as you see, I have all my bananas chopped up nicely. You're going to mash all your bananas together.
You don't need this.
If you want to do the easier way, you can use a blender. But I just want to kind of work and be an old fashioned.
Can you help me? I can't even do this.
You know what? I'll help you.
Wait, I'm just gonna wait till my sister do it. Okay, this past the video and whatever.
This is how your banana should look when they are done. All mushed up.
And mixed up.
Well, it's not mushed up. You guys might want to use the blender because this is really workout. Maybe I should do this every day. A little workout every day. Just chop up some bananas. Here it is, our little mixity, shake-city. I did double work, guys, because my arm is about to break. So next up, we're gonna have 6 teaspoons of, oh my, I can't speak today. No, it's not Jif. Peanut
jelly. No, it's not jelly. It is jelly.
Okay, peanut butter. Don't listen to him. Peanut butter.
No, it's jelly.
We're gonna need 6 teaspoons of this
So are
peanut butter. Let me see.
Are you going to like mix it up in there?
This is weird.
Huh?
I can't get the peanut butter. We kind of messed up, so we're gonna add 3 eggs.
I'm gonna eat an egg.
Hold this.
Can I break it?
Do you know how?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's about to get messy. Look, watch. Crack it in there.
Eggs. So.
No, I'm gonna use that last one. Okay, so then it's a little messy. So then, go ahead and mix the eggs into the...
No, mix it.
Just mix it. Mix the eggs into the dough thingy.
Oh my god. This egg looks so good. I can't even eat it.
Look at this. It's literally a liquid. See, it's going to be so easy to pour it. You're going to pour that mix in there.
And then you're going to pour yours and mix it.
Oh,
sorry.
Mix in there.
And then we're going to both mix it up?
No. Yeah, sure. You can mix it up some. You see a different kind of
Move this.
Mix it up. So the next thing we're going to need is some oats. If you know how much any oats you're supposed to add, great. If you don't, you're like us. Just add a little bit of oats at a time.
A little bit of like it at a time.
I don't think that's a little. Just mix the oats up. You can go on this side.
Oh yeah, I'm about to. Don't let it fall. Ooh.
might have full what? Do you want to use this instead, Blair? So it can be a little easier?
Oh, yeah.
Here, we can use it. How use this? Oh, no, use this. And after that, you're going to add...
Wait, don't let it fall.
Okay, no, don't just...
How much water?
Okay, we forgot how much water we're supposed to add. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of water. Maybe 2.
Okay, let's
Keep mixing it up. Keep mixing, Blake, and then I'll get another teaspoon of water.
Wait,
You know what? I think I should have wrote this down, guys, because I'm... Ooh. Okay, guys,
this dog can't eat this food.
the dog's gonna eat it, and I'm gonna make him. And then he's gonna smile at me, and then he's gonna say, I love it.
Do you know dogs can't talk?
But they can bark. So I think our mix should be ready. Oh, guys, we didn't have flour, so if this turns out bad, please don't judge us. So you have to add some flour. That is not flour, but we don't have any flour, so
It's gonna be super bad.
bro, you're building in confidence.
Be quiet.
This guy is tripping. I think I'm not sure if you don't have flour, you may just want to add a little bit more water.
You need
So then just mix it up. Mix it up.
I think this is enough.
So I'm gonna go get ahead and get the pans.
And I'll mix it and you pour it in. Ew.
So I think we're gonna have to let's put some more. Okay, this is gonna be a 1-layer cake. Do you think we should pour like the mix in here, Mom? To make just a small little cake? I guess we will. We're just gonna probably just pour the mix in here.
A lot.
How much are you supposed to fill up?
Equal.
Because isn't the cake supposed to pop up like that?
No, you're supposed to put it in a big one.
What do you mean? Put it in the big one?
Put it in this one.
No, because it's not enough room, remember? Just gonna use all our mix. Guys, we are not cake experts. We don't know anything about cake. This is the first time making cake. So let's go ahead and get my mittens and go ahead and put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna start icing the cake. My brother did get a little messy, so he just changed. So let's go ahead and start icing it. So we're going to go ahead and put going here.
See? Bro.
Oh. Looks weird.
Yeah, the top looks good.
Yeah, the top looks good. So now we're just gonna put icing
Spoonies.
to the top. Just gonna spread it out.
Sister, you sound like it said spit it out.
So now we're just gonna start icing the sides. Just get some, just get it from the top of your spoon and just spread it like this. See how I am? See? So I'm just gonna try.
Let's go and dip this in.
Some swirl.
It's empty.
You're making that. As you can see, I'm just icing.
I want to go right back somewhere. Bye, guys.
So we got this happy birthday thing, and it's so cute. I think I might put it kind of like in the middle. Happy birthday.
Right here?
Oh, and guys, we also have made these little yummy treats.
Wow,
This looks like a blueberry brush.
what am I? It looks like a blueberry.
Thank you guys for watching. We're just gonna put these in the freezer for a little bit, and then our cake will be done. I hope you guys found this helpful for you. But Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye.
Bye. Hit the